Look at her. Still magnificent after all this time.
We will bring it home.
Secure on joint 4. How's your pressure looking? Green across the board. Moving to the secondary coupling now.
Ignition sequence start. We are go for orbital departure. Tracking Zulu 7 confirmed.
Scaffolding. We are approaching the apex.
Confirmed. Pressure stable across all joints. The V-fin is completely bent, and the left eye is shattered.
We need a full diagnostic immediately.
Platform 4 confirms stability. We're bringing up the next section for the chest access points.
The depth gauge reads 42 millimeters at the apex.
42 millimeters. Noted.
After decades dormant on the lunar surface, the Gundam finally returns home. The restoration project is underway.
We are clear of the transport. Proceed to Bay 7.
Roger. Moving to the scaffolding now. Lowering speed reduced by half.
The V-fin is completely bent, and the left eye is shattered.
We need a full diagnostic immediately.
Look at the stress fractures around the knee joint here.
I see it. The primary actuators are failing. We'll need a full replacement sequence.
Platform 4 confirms stability. We're bringing up the next section for the chest access points.
The depth gauge reads 42 millimeters at the apex.
42 millimeters. Noted.
Look at the spider webbing here.
This lens is completely totaled.
We'll have to replace the entire assembly.
The primary impact zone is stable, but look at the stress fractures here.
Got it. I'm logging the depth at 1.2 meters.
This entire coupling is compromised. Confirmed. The corrosion spread past the primary bus. Get a shot of that fluid line fracture.
The debris goes deep into this vent, and the dent here is significant, almost 5 centimeters.
Okay, the priority is the right shoulder joint stabilization, highlighted in red. That plating is compromised.
Got it, leader. We'll prep the micro welders now.
This isn't just cleaning, it's an archaeological effort, revealing the scars of the one-year war beneath the dust.
The specialized solvent reacts with the oxidized layers, allowing us to expose the underlying Gundam alloy for the first time in decades.
We still have some pressure inconsistencies on the lower lines.
All right, let's secure the main valve and run the diagnostic again. The cleaning process revealed more pitting than we expected, especially on the chest plate. We'll need significant reinforcement here.
All right, she's loose. Get the crane ready for extraction.
Clear the platform, section 7B. Bring her up another 10 meters, slowly.
Roger, 10 meters up.
The damage here is extensive. Decades of neglect. But we will restore it. Clear to lift. Taking the weight now.
Roger that, crane. Watch your rotation on the descent. Steady now. Bring it down slow. Clear on the hydraulics. We are good to set the weight.
All right, she's clear. Keep those lines taut.
Roger. Moving to guide point 3.
That's C03. Check the seam alignment marker.
Confirmed. Panel ready for removal sequence.
Watch the clearance on the right side.
Copy. Lowering to the stands now.
Slow down. Approaching station 3.
Confirmed. Slowing to 2 meters per minute.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
Clear on the clamps.
Final disconnect complete. Ready for vertical translation. Slow and steady.
Ensure the phasing on the leg actuators is synchronized before the power-up.
Roger that. Recalibrating now.
Upper scaffold, clear for transport.
The RX-78-2 represents the pinnacle of mobile suit design. Every dent, every...
Every scratch removed brings us closer to activation. Precision at this scale is everything. Confirming wire 404 to the main regulator.
Connected. Stand by for power.
We have green across the board. Reroute to auxiliary. Decades of neglect reversed, one connection at a time. The core systems are slowly coming back online.
Core synchronization complete. We are switching to internal power. All systems green, the Gundam is online.
Holding pattern zebra. Lowering thrust assembly to mount point 4.
Copy that. Visual confirmation. Alignment is green. Proceed with securing bolts.
Final rotation. Applying maximum torque.
Pressure steady. Confirmed. Joint secure.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the V-fin.
Engaging main power conduit now.
Torque on the shoulder joint is good.
Check the alignment on C-coupler 4.
Looks within tolerance here.
Check this seam line near the waist.
Needs a quick wipe, but the finish is consistent.
Crane movement steady at 0.5 meters per minute.
Roger that. Systems engineer. Clear entry confirmed.
The chest assembly alone requires surgical precision. Every centimeter must be purged of lunar dust before the final coat.
Spray steady on the knee joint. We need optimal coverage before the next shift.
Copy that. Adjusting flow rate now.
Tape coming clear. Confirming seal integrity on the blue section. It's flawless.
The V-fin receives its final coat, a symbol of the rebirth of the White Devil.
Coating consistency here is perfect.
Agreed. The thermal shielding looks flawless.
This isn't just a machine, it's a symbol. And the paint, the final layer, has to reflect that legacy.
structural integrity checks are green.
Power up sequence initiated. Let's bring it online. Pressure check on the main actuator.
Reading nominal. The paintwork looks incredible, by the way.
Thanks, almost done here.